So today let us see about the how to create multiple threads, that is creating multiple threads. Let us look at the problem statement. Create a thread class called as myThread by implementing the runnable interface. Next, pass the name as the parameter to the constructor. Next, start the thread within the constructor. Next, print the properties of the thread such as name, priority and thread group. Create 3 different threads with the names 1, 2 and 3. And then in this particular problem we are using 2 Java files, that is mythread.java and mythreaddemo.java, which will have a main method. And we'll get a display like this because we are going to create 3 threads with the names 1, 2 and 3. So whenever we print the properties of the thread, so we'll get the output like this: thread 1 5 main. Here this is the name of the thread and 5 is the default priority and main is the thread group. So let us go to the code. So first let us see this class called as myThread. So in the problem statement we have given that this myThread has to implement runnable, so that's why we have implemented the runnable interface. And there are 2 properties, that is name and thread. This name is used to give a particular name to this thread, so that's why we are passing this as a parameter to the constructor and we have initialized the name. And then we have created a new thread actually with the name here, and then we have written here system.out.println t. So this line prints the name of the thread, priority of the thread and the thread group. Here the thread group is the default thread group, that is the main group, and then we are starting the thread. Then we have an implementation for a run method. So this is the usual for loop, and then here we are printing system.out.println. We are printing the name of the thread and the value of I. Okay, here actually you will get 1, 2 or 3 depending upon which thread is running. So this is the explanation for this class. Next let us go to the class called as mythreaddemo.java. So this particular class is having the main method, and here what we have done is we have created multiple threads. That is, we have created a thread T1 whose name is ONE1, and we have created a thread T2 whose name is TWO2. We have created a thread T3 whose name is 3. Okay, we have created 3 threads. That's all we have done. And what happens is, in the constructor it assigns this name 1 to that particular thread and it starts the thread there. So let us run this program. See, please, here the first lines are important here. See here. See, the thread 1 is created, thread 2 is created and thread 3 is created. All the threads are created with the default priority of 5 and with the thread group of main. Only the name is different. And see here, we are printing the value of I along with the name of the thread. So that 20 means this line is printed by the thread 2 and the value is 0. This line is printed by thread 1. This line is printed with by thread 3. So like that. Thank you.